Today we talk about how can you book your class on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to book your class. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on extra class here in this sign. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you book your class here in this list. Just click here on book your class, then it's going to show for you like this. Start here, you click here on start your free trial here. So then you come to this list, then you click here, and here can you select, then you click in this sign. So then it's going to show for you list like this at here your credit or debit card. So then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.